So welcome to another Machine Monday. And as you can see, I've got a pair of Magic Leaps on. And today I want to take our AR topic a little bit further and show you how we're developing tools within GenderMark to help our design team design machines and add-ons to machines in a more interactive and intuitive way. The experiment I want to show you is where we've got a real life station and I want to add on some logistics trolleys to that station, but I'm not sure exactly what I need. So I'm going to pick from a store, as I'll show you just now, and actually build up this logistics trolley as and when I need it. So now that I've got my Magic Leaps on, what you can see is I've got an online store that we've built with a number of machine components. And as I said earlier, the goal is to actually build up a little logistics trolley so that I can see how the parts would actually be fed onto this little production line we've got in our tech center. So the first thing I can do is I can select a trolley out of the store. I can place it more or less where I want it to be. Then what I can do is I can actually go a little bit closer and actually drag it and as you can see now, if I step back, I've got my trolley in more or less the position I want it. What I now want to do is I want to actually add on a small little box rack. So what I can go into my store and pick a bracket for the little box. I can just let it go. I can grab it from wherever it is. And what I can do is I can then position it in an area that I feel is right. What I can then do is I can go and collect a small little box out of the store and position it in the right place. There we go. The next thing I want to do is I want to actually take a medium-sized box out of our store and again position it kind of more or less where I want it to go. And as you can see, what I've been able to do is build up a little trolley system using some of the standard products in our design package from our store onto a real life production line. Here's another Machine Monday.